Hajime mashite. Watashi wa Fitsum Tesfay desu. Addis Ababa kagaku jigitsu dagaku no Rida desu. MNGD project ni kakawate imasu. Watashi wa Ethiopia shushin de jigitsu to innovation no tsusuite shakai no kokken shittai to yosuyoi iyoku o motte imasu. Kiu wa mensetsu no kikkai o itadaki arigatou gozaimasu. So the activities so far, especially the team in AASTU, our MNGD project at AASTU has made significant progress in fulfilling the project objectives. We have conducted extensive, numerous geotechnical tests and also characterization of these additives, of the selected plant additives when exposed to moisture and mixed with expensive subgrade soils. The AASTU team consists of highly motivated PhD and master students specifically chosen for their research interests, which align perfectly with MNGD's objective. Over the past 5 years, we have successfully mentored over 16 master's students, 4 PhD candidates on this research, with additional PhD candidates collaborating from Japan. Now, 2 of them graduated, and we are expecting the third to graduate till September. Our research has yielded valuable insights into the potential of using plant additives to improve the stability of expensive soils. We have gained enormous experience during the experimental work, short-term training, and technical discussion with our Japanese partners. And we are also visited by Japanese professors from Japan, from Ehime University, from Kyoto University, and Miyazaki University. Collaborating with these visiting professors from Japan has been incredibly valuable. Their expertise in geotechnical engineering and characterizing these plant additives significantly enhanced our understanding. Even though expensive soils are not common in Japan, we have came to different arguments and discussions to refine our project. The guidance of the Japanese professors has helped us refine our experimental design to increase our data accuracy related to moisture interaction with plant additives and also the expensive soils. This experience has honed especially my ability to adapt managing a research project, a big project like this one, based on expert input, which I believe will be crucial for the refinement of our work in the remaining period. Watashi tachi to Nihon no kyoshi to no kankei wa hijou ni ryoko desu. During the past 4.5 years or 5 years, I can say, our researchers from JINCA, Ethiopian Roads Authority, and AASTU, where I'm the leader of this project, have visited maybe 3 times, maybe more than 20 people have visited the beautiful Japanese cities, where we have learned a lot of stuff. I mean, in addition to MNGD project, as engineers, personally, I have curiosity on how Japanese infrastructures are so sustainable, even though there are hazardous earthquakes and things like that. The Japanese people have prevailed and have beautiful cities and beautiful infrastructures, starting from roadside ditches, starting with using very small space in effective way. I have no words to express, my impressions on the Japanese cities. The universities with a small laboratory, they manage many PhD students and postdoctoral. We don't have a problem in Ethiopia in space, but we have failed to manage, and we have learned how to manage our laboratories, which are mainly managed by professors in Japan, but not in Ethiopia. In Ethiopia, we usually have laboratory technicians to manage laboratories, but in Japan, the professor is responsible for laboratory works. The work ethic in Japan, the work culture itself is fascinating, and we have been motivated. And we have visited expressway projects especially Hanshin Expressway. We have visited the Earthquake Museum, which is so fascinating, in which we have learned from the 1994 earthquake how design codes have been changed, learning from the experience of the Kobe earthquake, which is printed in the books of in the codes of Japanese peer design especially. And laboratory experiments, we have conducted numerous, more than 100 plus, especially in 2023. Our PhD and researchers, we have conducted numerous experiments in Japan, in Kyoto University, and also one of our partners in Miyazaki. And this has given us a lot of experience, and I believe that I'm more of attached to laboratories than I was before. And I cannot say enough about the people of Japan. I mean, beautiful people. I mean, very helpful. As a foreigner, you don't feel alone. I mean, if you ask for directions, people will actually walk with you to your destination. That is very surprising. And I cannot say enough about the city and the people, and I would like to say thank you, Japanese people. So my general opinion and evaluation about this project so far is the project has made solid progress in evaluating plant additives potential as modifiers to stabilize expansive soils in Ethiopia. While our results initially show average outputs, the identification of promising areas for improvement suggests significant advancements are achievable and possible. Continued research efforts are crucial to unlock cellulose-based additives as the likes of Celderon to their full potential for stabilizing expansive soils in Ethiopia. So basically we'll be trying and combining the plant additives with lime, with Celderon, and we have seen promising results, and I'm sure we'll have applicable innovation in the future. Thank you. So my expectations for the remaining 10 months, I think 10 months, less than a year. From our side, I can say, from our side, our expectation is completing our research with the experimental design schedule. We hope to complete our experimental work at least up to July, and we need to apply these experiments on the ground, especially I'm hoping we'll have experimental sites here in AASTU and also in Jinka, and test the applicability of this innovation, this research work on the ground. And also we are preparing to publish, scientific journals, and also to prepare guidelines and manuals in order to use this research work when it is applied on the ground. My message to our sponsors, to our funders, and our Japanese partners, JST JICA, is on behalf of our university, Addis Ababa Science and Technology University, and MNGD team leader in AASTU, I would like to express our sincere gratitude for your ongoing financial support. Your generous contribution has been instrumental in allowing us to make significant progress in our investigation of plant additives as a stabilizer for expansive subgrade soils in Ethiopia. This project is actually of paramount importance, and it has sparked many other topics of interest within our students and researchers. Thanks to your support, we've been able to conduct a comprehensive program of geotechnical testing. We have now 3 new PhD graduates, which adds our staff profile. That has been a problem. We have more than 16 master students partially sponsored by this project. We have advanced equipments in geotechnics, filling up our lab spaces. We have new laboratory spaces, which is a research park, which was built with more than 6 billion birr, and I'm sure most of these advanced equipments will be used for our continuing research in advanced geotechnical and highway engineering. We have established a baseline understanding of plant additives impacts on key soil properties of expansive soils. We have identified promising avenues for further research for next projects to optimize plant additives, even beyond with Selderon and lime effectiveness. We are committed to building upon this strong foundation and believe there is significant potential to develop Selderon-based, cellulose-based or plant additive-based into valuable solution for Ethiopian rural road construction projects. We are particularly excited about exploring combination of plants, lime, Selderon effectiveness. We are confident that that continued collaboration between AASTU, JICA, and JST, and Yuri's team, the organizations, will lead to universities, of course, Kyoto University, Iheme University, and Miyazaki University will lead to groundbreaking advancements in this field. We are eager to further strengthen our ties and explore opportunities for your continued support in the future. Thank you once again for your invaluable contribution. Anthony, arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you.